In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online tutorial. Let's get started right from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look over to the left navigation panel and click Expenses. This takes you to the central hub for your spending. Once you're on the Expenses page, make sure you're in the Expenses tab. This is where the action happens and where you'll review and manage every expense you've recorded. You'll see a clean table listing all your expenses. Each row shows key details at a glance: the date of the transaction, the type, a reference or number if you use one, the payee, the category, and the total. Think of this view as your quick scan for accuracy. It's great for confirming amounts, checking who you paid, and ensuring each expense is categorized correctly so your books and reports stay reliable. If you want to dive deeper into a specific transaction, simply click on any line in the list. That opens the expense details. Here, you can review everything and make adjustments if needed. You can edit details like the payee, the category, the payment account, or any notes you keep for context. If you have a similar expense to enter, use the copy option to duplicate it and then tweak the details. This saves time and keeps your entries consistent. If something was entered in error, you can choose to void or delete it. Voiding keeps a record with a zero amount for audit clarity, while deleting removes it from the list entirely. Always pick the option that fits your bookkeeping policy and double-check you're modifying the right transaction. When you're ready to add a new expense, head to the top right and click New Transaction, then select Expense. A blank form will open. Start filling out the essentials. Choose the payee, set the date, pick the payment account you used, select the correct category so the expense lands in the right place on your financial statements, and enter the total amount. Add a memo if you want to leave yourself a helpful note for future reference. When everything looks accurate, save the expense, and it will immediately appear in your list. That's all there is to it. Click Expenses, review your list in the Expenses tab. Open any transaction to edit, copy, void, or delete, and add new expenses using New Transaction. With a quick review of dates, amounts, and categories before saving, you'll keep your records clean and your reports trustworthy. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.